did you?
Hey guys, what is going on? Mike here from Altcoin Freedom. I hope you guys are having a very excellent weekend and getting some time to do something fun, something you enjoy outside of the crypto world, and also hopefully you have some time to keep your eyes on the crypto world too, guys, because there's some things happening in the market. We're getting a little bit of a bump, and I know there's a lot of good projects you guys like to look at there and hopefully find some good buying opportunities. First off, I want to say congratulations to all you guys who have messaged me and said you finally went and got your hardware wallet. I'm so glad to hear you saying your stress is gone and your crypto is safe and finally in your own control. Guys, it was the smartest move you can make in crypto, so you're going to really protect your future there. Okay guys, in this video, what we're going to talk about is Tron, TRX, lots of news happening out of Tron. We're going to talk about the market and we're going to talk about the mindset of Tron holders right now and also just crypto holders in general, because we really have to adjust our mindsets to the market. And if you've been in crypto a while, guys, for a few years, you've ridden the roller coasters, you've been in the bull runs, you've been in the bear markets, you've seen the big rises, you've seen the pullbacks, and how you act in those different markets will really be really affected, guys. How you're acting will be really affected by your mindset, okay? So you don't need to give yourself a lot of stress and worry if you know what's happening in the market. You can still make some profit, and you don't have to get carried away in the bull runs if you also know what's happening there too when the market's moving like that. So the first thing I want to talk about, guys, is basically let's move right over here and let's see. Now, there was some news that Tron TRX is breaking above a major resistance level. And could that be a signal that we are starting a new bull run, or a bull run will be coming in the next few weeks? Okay, because we know Tron TRX has been declining the last few weeks. Okay, it also went below 4 cents, but there are signs of a bullish reversal emerging out of the charts. And what people are saying, it could be a good time to be a Tron investor. Okay, maybe pick up some more Tron if you believe in the project, or get into it if you haven't already. Because in the last hour, guys, of the time we're making this video, there was a little bump in Tron, about 6%, okay? And that's like a little above the last 55-day moving averages, so that's pretty good. And if we keep breaking these resistance levels, the fact that Tron is probably going to go a little bit above them, that could be a good sign that we have a bullish reversal happening. And that's some of the sentiment in the market there. Now, hopefully this is a beginning of some new uptrends in the Tron market, guys, because we've had a lot of news, but we haven't seen the price moving. But that gets back to what I was saying about your mindset. You have to realize that the projects aren't suffering themselves, right? When we don't see the token prices going up, people get very skeptical. They get very, nervous and panic and want to get out of the projects, or they hate on the projects. But the thing is, if you're in these bearish markets, guys, with the tens of billions of dollars coming out some days, and we see Bitcoin crashing down a little bit and all the alts coming down, that's the market moving. But if you think about the projects that you really believe in, the technology isn't changing. The use cases, the partnerships they're developing and making, and the future vision of this technology and what you initially believed it could do is why you were originally interested in it. That hasn't changed, okay? So when the market comes back around and more money's coming back in, the money flows back into these projects. So you got to stay focused in these times, guys, on finding good projects with good technology you can believe in and that you could be maybe a long-term holder of, because you see that they will be around during the next bull runs, right? They're not going to disappear. Okay, so people are saying, guys, it could be a good beginning of a new uptrend. Maybe we could be testing 10 cents in the next few weeks. That would be amazing. And people are saying, eventually at the end of the year, well, this one analyst is saying at the end of the year, we could be possibly seeing a new $1 TRX. Okay, so a little bit of a Bitcoin pump caused Tron to move. That's pretty good. But we know with the news coming out that Tron has successfully migrated from the Ethereum blockchain, okay, and it was flawless. That's great news for the team. So, the mainnet launch was a lot better than the EOS mainnet launch. So that's interesting news for the TRX holders, that you can be rest assured the team put a lot of effort and they're very serious about this. A lot of people say scam coin on this one, scam coin on that one. Tron is looking to be a major player in the entertainment industry for a long time, guys, and just really revolutionize that. So we see the team can also, hit deadlines, they can hit them well, and the technology is pretty good. So we're not seeing any flub ups there. So that's pretty interesting, guys, and hopefully that gives us some long-term value, how we see they're developing the network. Okay, so on top of that, we also know that Tron's going to be launching a virtual machine on the 31st of July. And this is exciting, guys, because this is when the Ethereum developers can bring the projects to the Tron blockchain, okay, because it's compatible with the Ethereum programming language. And that's going to be a lot of reasons why we're going to see Ethereum developers cross over. And the biggest one, guys, I can tell you will be efficiency, okay? Because compared to Ethereum, so far people are saying Tron is superior in terms of transaction speeds. It's fast, the cost, no fees, and scalability, okay? So these are very critical factors for dApp developers, guys, and it's going to really help push them to cross over to the platform. Okay, so that again, that will also help the TRX have a little bit of move, an upside move, okay? And we know, guys, with the rate of adoption of this new TRX platform, we know when platforms and developers, when the developers come over to the platform and these platforms are really getting a lot of, good recognition out there in the market, the crypto can rise. Okay, so there has been some news that we'll talk about. Actually, we talked about it in a previous video. Hopefully, guys, you can get a link to that too. But there was some news about Pornhub and things like that, and people are thinking that's very glamorous. That's not a good use case of Tron. So some of those partnerships aren't very good, but we also know Tron has made a lot of good partnerships. Okay, so hopefully as a form of payment in some of the great partnerships we can see moving forward, that will help the price of Tron as well. And hopefully when they get bigger into the online gaming industry, that will really help and give some long-term value to the coin. So what do you guys think? Are you going to jump in on Tron at these current prices, or do you think we can pull back a little more? Or if you're a Tron holder, you already have a big bag and you're just waiting to see what happens. So let's keep our eye on Tron the next little while. And guys, getting back to the mindset, we need to talk about, people are saying with all this news, right, this Lambo news and the big news that would have been giving everybody Lambos at the end of 2017, 2018, because coins were moving based on news. Why is the price still stumbling, right? Why are we being pulled back? But again, we have to remember, guys, that the price in the bearish market isn't going to move on news, right? So we've had big increases before. Tron has slipped back a little bit recently. But the good news is, guys, you don't have to worry about that and get caught up in, oh, the news is killing the price. That's just not even realistic. What we do need to focus on is the technology. And there was an uploaded video on Twitter which was explaining how fast the transactions are being carried out on the platform. So I want to show you guys a video because the transactions are being carried out in seconds, okay? So it's very user-friendly, very fast. And again, when we get back to no fees, pretty amazing. So let's watch this video, guys, and just take a look. It's not the clearest video, but you'll get an idea of how fast the platform and the network is. So it's kind of interesting.
1, 2. Let's try like this, 1.324. By clicking send, it will confirm the transaction, okay, and it will reach the other page very quickly. So if I click send, it asks me to confirm, the address is correct, confirm, successful. Just look at this one and try to see how fast it is. It's already here. So basically, just for a quick second, you need to wait before the TRX reaches the other address. So basically, it's quite fast. And we can just as well send them back, okay, to the other accounts. So in our case, the address is the one from the Team TRONIX, okay. So if we go directly to our main page, can we see something different? Maybe through representative, you can get the address. Here, by clicking on Team TRONIX, you will get our main page, and here you have the address. I copy the address. I send it, the Team TRONIX name appear, which is quite nice. I have 1.324 TRX to send, and I send them. And that's done, okay? This balance is now empty, and I received just now on the main Team TRONIX account. So you see, it's almost instantaneous. It's very fast.
Okay, guys, very fast and no fees. So that's interesting stuff. Okay, and we're also going to talk a little bit in this video about some Tron price predictions that have been coming out in the market by some analysts. We've heard, guys, crazy things before, and we've heard very, reserved prices. But these are some analysts predicting prices for the next few years. People are saying we could see TRX hit 375 by December if we have another big bull run at the end of the year like we saw before. Okay, up to $12 by the end of 2019, and a forecast of maybe going in the $50 range for 2020. So what I want to talk about is what I see here on this analyst chart. Okay, Tron, as we saw before, being one of the most surging and fastest growing digital currencies, has very good potential to grow in the cryptocurrency market. based on what they're trying to do in the entertainment market, okay? Because we know that market has over $1 trillion, and Tron is trying to take it over and revolutionize it. So there is good potential for the project if it accomplishes what it's setting out to do, and good opportunities for good prices, okay? So people are saying that, who knows, maybe in 2018, we could be seeing a 375 TRX up to $12 at the end of 2019, and the analysts are also predicting that by 2020, guys, we could get to a $52 TRX. So a lot of potentials for Tron, we know. They have a lot of partnerships, and there's a lot of advantages that could be coming along with the prices because of those partnerships, guys. And there's more partnerships happening behind the scenes we don't know about. So it's going to be interesting in the coming weeks, months, and years, what could happen with TRX. And I would like to know what you guys think about TRX. Are you holding TRX? Do you believe in the project, or are you one of the haters of TRX? If you're a hater, we'll hear what you're going to say anyway. You always do your thing, right? Haters do their thing. But if you're spreading positivity, is what we need in the crypto world, guys. We need more positivity, because that's going to help everyone do better and move forward in the crypto world. And if we have more positivity in the crypto world, guys, remember, people are scared of the crypto world. They think it's volatile. They think it's not safe. They think of scams, hacks on computers, exchanges. We need more positivity and good, positive people in the crypto space. So when all this institutional investment comes in, guys, make sure in these videos, anywhere you are, share some love, share some positivity, make the crypto space more welcoming for people that are entering. We have a lot of new people entering. And guys, we want these people entering, right? We want the money in the market caps. So let me know what you think about Tron, guys. I also love it if you guys could like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, guys. That helps us out so much, and I like connecting with you guys and getting private messages from you guys and hearing from you guys. So that is very encouraging when you guys can like our videos and subscribe to the channel. Now, also, because, guys, we also have new people coming into the market, I always want to tell all the new people to be smart if you're new to crypto and get a hardware wallet, okay? It's the best investment you can make. Long-term crypto holders, you can vouch for that. It's the only way you're going to protect your future wealth and your family's wealth. And it's such a small price to pay, guys, to secure all the money, the hundreds of dollars and thousands of dollars people are investing. Why not spend a little bit of money and secure it, keep it safe? Because we know $1 billion was stolen in crypto on exchange hacks, computer crashes, guys. And if you don't put your crypto in a hardware wallet, all you new people, then it's just a matter of time until you might be the next victim of a hack, okay? So that's why I feel this message is so important, guys, because I'm getting emails from you guys in these videos. Long-term holders, please spread some love and some knowledge, some safety knowledge about the crypto world in the comments. And all you new people that are always messaging us saying, oh, we've just got into crypto. What coins? What should we do? How do we do this? How do you use an exchange, right? This message I feel is important to you guys because many people don't know how to handle and store crypto securely, guys. And if we as a community can educate more people about crypto, and we can make the market more safe for everybody, the market cap of the industry is going to rise. So in these videos, guys, I feel if we can educate even one person per day about how to securely store and use their crypto, then we're going to help each other in this crypto market, and the whole market can grow in the future into a very nice, positive, safe environment for everyone to invest, okay? And actually, guys, one hardware wallet is great. It's the smartest thing you can do. I actually use 2 hardware wallets like a lot of my friends and other crypto enthusiasts so that I have an extra backup. One wallet I keep in a safe place. That could be at your home, guys, your work, in a bank, in a safety box, right, somewhere safe. And the other wallet I keep with me just in case I want to make a transaction or me and my friends are doing something, okay? So it's a very safe way to do it. And I also like to give hardware wallets to any new friends that I get into crypto, any new friends and family that I introduce to crypto. I always get them a hardware wallet before they ever buy their first crypto. So they start off safe and on the right foot, and they don't experience losing their money, losing their future investments. That's horrible. So guys, if you have any friends or family in crypto, then I advise for the next gift or just a nice thank you to someone you really care about. If they're involved in crypto, you're trying to get them into crypto, right? Give them a hardware wallet too, and try to educate them and keep them safe as well. Okay, guys, so don't wait until it's too late and you've lost your crypto. Protect your crypto right now. And guys, to make it very easy, if you're new and you don't know how to do this, we have a link in the description below so you can get one directly from the manufacturer. It's the safest way to get one so that it's never been tampered with, because that could be a problem too. We hear those horror stories. But there's a link down below, guys. It's the best move you can make in crypto, securing it. And if you check out that link below, you'll learn about one of the best and most popular hardware wallets on the market, and you can grab that for yourself and keep your crypto safe and go to bed with a peace of mind that your crypto is safe, guys. Now, let me know what you think about Tron. Give me some price predictions. Give me just a general feel of what you think, or spread some love in the comments about other projects you like. Positive, guys. Let's make the market very positive, right? And haters, for every hater spreading their FUD and their misery around, well, you know, the best to you. There's a lot more positivity flowing in crypto. So we'll see that in the comments. We see that with the likes. Okay, guys, please like the video, subscribe if you can. I will see you in the next one. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.